Now today's lesson is about how to read the rhythms. In guitar, you can play only three techniques in order to manipulate all the beats from tabla to the drums. And these three techniques are up beats, down beats, and the mid beats. The up beat is played striking the strings upwards, and in return manner, up beats is done like this. And the downbeats is played striking the string downwards, and in return manner downbeat is done like this. And the mid string is played muting the strings upwards or the downwards, like, and in return manner mid beat is written like this.